Hi guys, Rob here, and today I'm going to show you how to make an Organo Latte Coffee. Now, things you're going to need is obviously a sachet of the Organo Latte Coffee, a coffee cup to put it in, a spoon, and for reasons I'll explain in a minute, a pair of scissors. You're also going to need a way to make some hot water. For me, that's an electric kettle, which I'll just grab from the corner as it's just finished boiling. Okay, so what you'll need to do is we need to open this sachet. Now, with a good pair of scissors, it doesn't have to be a great pair of scissors. Don't steal your mum's fabric scissors. You know what happens when you steal that. And we'll just very carefully cut off the bottom. Why are we doing that, you may ask? I'll show you that in a minute after the video's ended. Tip the contents of the sachet into the coffee cup. Add the hot water that you've just finished boiling. Take your spoon and stir 6 times clockwise. 4, 5, 6, and then back counterclockwise 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now remember, I am making this video in Australia, so if you live in the northern hemisphere, go the other way. And that's it. 1 cup of Organo Latte. Now, why did we carefully cut the bottom of the sachet off instead of just ripping it open? Have a look at this. We recycle them. Bags for Life is a tie-up campaign with a non-profit organisation that provides work to unemployed women in impoverished urban areas. These women craft purses from recycled sachets of Organo products donated by our OG family and are paid by the company for every purse or bag for life they finish. Each bag for life requires a minimum of 600 empty sachets, and Organo's goal is to make 5,000 bags of life by the end of 2022. For that, we need to collect 3 million sachets. To achieve this, we invite our distributors and wholesale customers and even retail customers to donate used sachets of their favourite OG products by mailing them or dropping them off at our nearest distribution centre or regional office.